lot more framing today. It's Wednesday, I'm sorry, November 1st. This is all about the same garage entryway. This is actually the walk-in pantry right here. So there'll be a hidden door here that'll slide back. We can just take groceries and stuff in there. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen table will be here. Sinks back there. There's another door to the pantry over here. Refrigerator, double oven, all that's going to be over there. This is a doorway going in there. That's going to be a frosted glass door, so you'll be able to see light, and then there's a window beyond. Then this is a, like I said, mudroom. There's a toilet there, shower here. Washer and dryers are going to go down there. We're going to have a freezer in here. And then we'll have shelving and storage, probably some additional pantry space in here if we need it. So this is a nice sized room. It comes in from the outside. Then here's the mechanical room going down. That's where the AC, or not the AC, well, the air handler and the AC. And just water softener, all that stuff will be down there. So that's this part. This is the fireplace here. Going to be stone front on the fireplace, and it goes up that full length. And up there will be the B&B room, and it actually goes up to the height of that over there. So it's actually 2.5 stories. This is living room here, dining room. There's a wet bar over there in the corner. And this is the powder room here, guest bathroom right here. Right there. This is the entryway coat closet. Stairwell will be here. Across here, going obviously up and down. This is the elevator right here. It goes up all 3 floors. And there's a door here. This goes into the master suite. We're going to have some cabinets, like the built-in dressers here, so that we don't have to have anything over here. So built-in dressers along here. This is our walk-in master closet, walk-in closet, very large. Master bath is here. The tub's in the corner. Walk-in showers over there. The toilet's in here. Vanity's right here. We have a window at the end of the hall. And then you come around here, and this is the master bedroom. Very spacious, which is what we wanted. Windows across the front and up. Doorway over there. We're going to have a small patio out here with probably a fire element or something, a fire table for our use. So, and there'll be stone on this side going up that high. I'm not sure if there's stone above there or not. I don't think so, because that's the exterior up there. Yeah, I think maybe there is stone. I don't remember now. But anyway, they've got a lot of framing done. It's coming along. I talked to the general contractor, and he thought we should be pretty well enclosed in about 2 or 3 weeks, so that they can, be watertight and work all winter long inside. So it's really starting to shape up. We like the openness of the design, because that's kitchen over there, little dining space. This is living room, dining room there. It's just all open. So that was our goal. All right, this is thanks for joining us, and we'll keep you updated.